Hi, Brian Smedley here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to draw noses easy. What you start out with is basically that anything you draw, like a human form or hands or arms, legs, or anything, starts with the basic shape. In this case, with the nose, we're going to have, first we're going to draw a circle. Doesn't have to be perfect, kind of light. Then for the sides of the nose, or the nostrils, we're going to overlap that circle like that, and then another one like that. That's a little big, but that's okay. Then you start at this point, and then you sweep up with the sides of the nose, just like that. Then here, for this circle, for the bottom of this circle and this circle, you're going to sweep up above your circle somewhat, and then connect it here, just like that. Same way over here. And sweep up above that circle, just like that. And add that. We're going to shade a little bit underneath for that nostril. Now here comes the fun part. We're going to now erase the circles where we've overlapped. Now I want to correct this nostril just somewhat. It takes a little trial and error. We're going to shorten it some. Just like that. Erase some more. I want to straighten these lines out. Like I said, when you draw, you can look and see where you need to correct the areas. Like so. Now just shading the whole part of the nose all the way. Just like this. Deepen this. Put a little more pressure with your pencil to get your shading of the inside of your nostril. Somewhat like that. And just keep shading. Now, you're going to take your pencil, you're going to go to the center of the nose. This is where the shading comes in. We're going to lighten this area back up by erasing. Then here we're going to erase with a circular motion to brighten that area, because basically that's where the light will be hitting. And we want to darken this some more. Darken it over here. That way okay, I've shaded here on the side to bring out and to highlight the circle, so I will continue to erase the circle for the base of the nose to bring out the highlight. And I don't have a square eraser that I can turn sideways to get the flat part of the corner of the eraser to get this. So I shaded the side, so I'm going to try not to get it as wide and just brighten it up some. Now here's a, let's see if I can find it. I had a strip of Coban somewhere that here it is, I found it. It had dropped. I just find the corner of it where I can take, without using my thumbnail, and smudge, put a little pressure and smudge it somewhat. To bring it out, to not get anything on my thumb, no, so I don't smudge my thumb. Let me, there's that corner somewhat. So using the Coban helps. I'm just going to add just a little bit more shading. I smudged a little bit too much, but it can be lighter. So we're going to narrow the center of the nose. Just going to fix this corner just a little bit more, make it a little more curved. Yeah, I'm just going to add some outlines on the outside to bring out the drawing, kind of make it more three-dimensional. Now I'm going to bring out the nostril a little deeper, like so. Get that. Kind of hit that corner too much. Now I can get rid of that. There. Yeah, when you're using the Coban, you don't want to hit too hard, or you'll lose somewhat of the you'll lose somewhat of the shading. Same with the eraser, you don't want to over erase. So Yeah, work on the nostrils. Now here, I'm just going to connect here. Now if you want to, you can add the fulcrum. That's a little kind of the indentation below your lip when your lips connect. So okay, that's all I'm doing there, because this is not a lip tutorial, it's a nose tutorial, but I'm just showing you that to give you the basis of the fulcrum, and you can shade the fulcrum on both sides and kind of lighten it up somewhat. And there you have it. That's the tutorial of how to do a realistic nose. Thank you.